So I'm a Harmony partner, and I'm also a key opinion leader for pediatric hematological malignancies and also acute lymphoblastic leukemia. So the project that I'm proposing within Harmony is to collect clinical trial data that's already been published. So this is reusing data in order to identify novel biomarkers for risk factor analysis. And the real advantage of doing it through Harmony is it allows us to combine pediatric clinical trial data and also adult trial data, and to really drill down to some quite rare biomarkers that we think are going to be very useful in predicting outcome within this disease. But we need to combine data sets because they're generally only present in 2, 3, 4 or 5% of patients. And therefore each individual trial simply doesn't have enough patients with any one biomarker to analyze its effect for those patients. So by combining all this data within the Harmony platform, it will give us much greater power to understand how this biomarker is affecting patient outcome. So what I've done already is I've approached a number of study groups around the EU, and I've had some very good responses. And the total kind of patient population that we could achieve is probably around 20,000. Now obviously that's a very large number, and I'm not pretending that we're going to be successful in collecting all those clinical trial data sets. But I do think a number in a kind of 10 to 15,000 is a realistic possibility. And if we do get that number across pediatric and adult ALL, it will be the largest clinical trial data set that's ever been accumulated anywhere in the world. So it really will help us drill down to answer some of those more difficult questions.